Hello and welcome back, beta. Today in the other class of geography, fire lines and drainage pattern. These two videos I already sent you regarding topographic sheets, and now today we are here with other concept. Beta, in this 20 marks question will be there. Some are carrying 2 marks and some are carrying 1 marks each. So drainage pattern is carrying 2 marks and fire line it will carry 1 mark. So it is already over. So today move back to another concept. First of all, it is directions. It will be of 2 marks. In your question paper they will simply ask you which is the direction, in what direction place X is from place Y, or so on. So first of all, beta, what you have to do, simply draw like this. 4 main directions are there: north, south, west and east. And afterward other directions are there like southeast, northeast, northwest and southwest. One thing always keep in your mind that these are the 4 main directions and these are the sub directions. So whenever putting the sub direction, please put main direction first. Like it is called southeast and it is called southwest. So main direction is north and south here. In the same manner, whichever in the upper part we called it northwest and northeast, northeast nest and west north. No, simply call it northwest and northeast. It will take 2 marks. So other concept from this is there are some symbols are there in your book. You have to identify these symbols and it will also carry 2 marks. They simply ask you what is this mean, what is these stand for. Main and important symbols I will let you know later or side by side, like this. Here you can say first, it is very important, these are most important symbols which you can see here. These are the most important symbols. Side by side I will definitely explain these all. So today let us continue with easting and northing, and it will carry 4 marks. First of all, you can see like this, you will get a survey map. There are some lines horizontal and some lines are vertical on your survey map. So what are these lines? What are these lines called? So here is a map with some vertical lines and some horizontal lines. Okay, and these in geographical language, these are called northing and easting. How put? First of all, let us name them like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is a random name. And again, these lines, like these vertical lines, these are called easting. Why these are called easting? Because their number is going on increasing as they move toward eastern side. So that is why these are called easting. Now 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5 and 6. Now you can see this horizontal line and their number are going on increase when we move toward north. So these are called northing. So I hope it is clear that all the vertical lines are called easting and all the horizontal lines are called northing, because in easting numbers are going on increase while we are travel toward east, and this side while we are toward north. So that is why it is called northing and easting. I think it is clear. Now what they will ask? They will ask, first of all, it is four figure. So for example, here is something, and they could ask, tell us the four figure of this tree. So beta, 2 number will get from easting and 2 number will get from northing. Which number? Let me clear. Like this is a box, and in this box a tree is here. Okay beta? So what we're going to take? First of all, the first line means the starting line of this box, or the lower number, like this is 14 and this is 15. We'll take the lower number or the starting point. So it is 14. So we take 14. We write here 14. Now we get our 2 number. Other 2 will get the base line. Base, or again the starting points. As you can see here, it is written over 22. We are not going to take this point. We are going to take the starting point or the bottom line. It is written 22. So we write 22. So 1422 is our 4-figure grid reference of this survey tree. I hope it is very clear, because in your board exam, pre-board, every exam, it will come for 2 marks. So whenever while you are putting 4 figure, keep in your mind that easting come first. Always put easting on first number and then northing on second number. It is the common mistake done by number of students. While putting 4 figure, they write it first and then second. So you will get 0 marks. So always easting on the first and northing on the second number. Let's do it once more. Now you tell me, what is the 4 figure? So what we are going to do is, first of all, we'll see the starting point, the lower number, and that is, you can see, yes, you are right, it is 12. And then the bottom line, again the lower number is 24. Yeah, correct. So other 4 figure is 12, 24. So I hope it is very clear. See you in the next class.